Beep beep. Bug, you were not near me. Arnwolf came close, and apparently my name misled him.
Who was it who was right near me?
I think that was me. Were you in the bedroom with the little teddy bears?
Alright, so who do we hunt?
No, I was in a kitchen. I was in a cupboard.
Ah, it's
Oh,
the main crew. It's the main crew versus the newbies.
Ooh.
Who are these so-called noobs?
You.
You're a noob.
Shadow's not... Jason.
Oh, already.
Jason, why?
Noobs, huh? Yes, the
Kyle. One behind you.
No!
He's Doritos.
Come back here.
Yeah, he just got out.
Shit, I just missed him.
Doritos!
Well, I
No
got
lag!
one.
No the lag!
Why is he not dying?
Because he's a small prop. Small props always have weird hitboxes.
Oh,
Kyle.
he just went down the stairs.
Kyle, you died.
The lag is
Yeah,
real.
I tried to noob tube him, and I just barely
Shoutplayer's
missed.
joining.
Muffin!
That's okay, I
Why
took
is
Jason with
my
me.
internet so
You
bad?
I
were
will
here
lag
previously.
You, all. You will all lag.
You were where previously?
My-
Oh, you
No,
fell-
you were here.
Shadow leave.
How do you know?
Oh yeah, I'm starting to feel that lag too, Rob.
Oh, big lag.
What the
The
heck?
Shoutplayer's joining.
Rob,
Yeah,
how-
it's
how do
when
you know-
someone joins.
How do you know that's where I was?
Feels the lag as much as
Feel
I love
Fury.
having 700
Damn, Bug, no!
ping all the time. No.
Del, sweetie.
Totally worth it.
Hey.
Rob, that's
It- it's
that's the mark of a Kyle hiding.
Oh my god, can you become one of these race cars?
You can. I was hiding as a race car behind the purple thing with the arrow pointing at me.
Oh, I'm gonna have to be one of those. So, what, is it me left? Oh no, I've got Kodak.
Wait, where's the race cars?
Okay,
What?
it's me
I
left.
find
And once again, it is Rob against Arnwolf.
I think you shot the bin instead.
I was right behind it, Kodak.
Aaron Wolf is being tricksy.
You need to taunt.
Did you do what?
Oh, I've been
Duh.
taunting. That's how Kodak got close to me.
Alright, I'm flying around trying to find Kordak's
Wait,
body.
if I-
Just
I'm alright. I already went down.
I know, that's why I'm trying to find your body.
Oh, Kodak.
You found him?
where are you?
Hello, sweetie.
Oh, did you find that? Hey, Rob.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little engine, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little engine, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little engine. Rob can't find me now.
Very careful. From where you're hiding,
Guys.
no, you cannot.
Is it time for a taunt?
Hello.
Yes.
Taunt time.
Wait.
Huh?
Oh no. Oh no.
Where even? Oh, but I lost where you were. Where you are.
Huh.
Putting my face over someone. Who will win, the nubs or the non-nubs?
I mean, at this point, it's looking like the
Noob,
nubs.
dude. It's called
I
noob.
think the nubs won.
I want to be a nub.
I become one of them.
Wait,
I
saw
can't
his
see
name.
where Rob went. Which way did he go?
I just saw his
Went
name.
everywhere.
Spectating. I want to find him.
I can't find it myself. Oh my god, I know where he is.
The panic is setting in.
Good thing I ran the other
Oh wait,
way.
I can just click.
The
Just
juice
knocking stuff around in that kitchen.
is real.
Oh
Alright, I'm gonna risk it again and watch me get the longest taunt in the world.
Give him a hint.
I did. I just taunted him.
I think I found him.
I think Rob's in a different mood.
Give us another taunt. 30 seconds left.
Rise and shine.
Tell him what you
Yeah,
are.
last 30 seconds, non-stop taunt.
Rise and
tell
shine.
him-
What?
There you
What?
are.
No, stop.
Okay, cold. 5 HP.
Oh my god! Rob, did you think he was in there, or were you just noob tubing for the hell of it?
No, I saw him, so I knew to.
Oh.
Yeah, I
So
ran
it was
into
like,
the room.
I didn't have enough time to try and shoot him.
Alright. So, Rob, how many more rounds till we switch to murder?
I don't know. Just however long there is.
Yeah, probably just until we finish this map.
I love Crossbow.
Could you share that enthusiasm with Bob?
Alright.
I just saw him. Yeah, Rob, get over here. Go die.
God damn it.
You can't escape me.
Huh?
You can never escape me.
Make the point.
Rob, last time were you like a plate or a pizza?
Does it take freaking
No,
forever?
it was neither of those things. That was a can, I think.
For
Oh, I
some
don't
reason,
like
while
hiding in
looking
places
at
like
the
this.
plate and pizza, it was showing your name tag.
Alright, yeah, you were probably just looking at the things that were on top of those.
You're not supposed to use that goddamn flashlight.
Really? When did we say that?
Yeah, that's true.
Did we say that? I didn't hear you.
Get good.
I don't think we'd said that.
No, but I don't use
Oh my god, there is a Satan room here. Jesus Christ.
There's a
Who
Satan
died?
room?
Did somebody
Yeah,
die?
how does the flashlight work?
Don't tell,
Oh,
don't tell.
Shine it over
I should go.
someone.
I was gonna go back on
Shadow.
Rob's stream. I know it. I will with you.
You'll never find it.
I never will.
Is
Yeah,
it
I'm
still
going to
there?
hide in the cupboard. See you guys.
Is there only Kodak left?
No, I'm here.
Oh no, Cryptlight's here.
Is it? No,
I'm
Kyle's
not-
still here.
It
Looks
was
like
Oh, my body.
Yep,
I was
I give up. I
Trying
can't.
very hard to kill himself.
No, I'm trying to
next
do a
round
thing.
I'm gonna be a McDonald's.
How do you find out the shadow though?
There we go.
And no one will ever
This feels
find
right.
Oh no.
This feels
wonder.
correct.
me. No, the team. They're unbalanced.
Yeah, 3 days a week. Yeah, Zach, have you sent the friends in? 'Cause I haven't seen anything pop up. Yeah, nothing's popped up. Need to send a friends invite. Details are in the description of the video. Need to download the map pack. Again, details of that are in the
Excellent.
description of the video. Oh, Kyle, you cheated.
How am I cheating?
You know what you've done.
We just open it.
Right back to where I was.
Are you Fists of the North starring it, by the way?
I have no idea what that means, but sure.
Kyle, seriously.
What?
Taunt him.
I want to see if it'll work. I want to see if I can get away with it.
Wait, is he in my room? I can't tell.
Oh my god, there's a Shadow Slayer on a cupboard.
Oh, how
Wait,
appropriate.
what? I
Trying to find. Okay, there it is.
The one.
I did it!
Oh Jesus, Kyle.
What?
Rolling. Bacon.
Beep beep.
Where is the
I bet he's under the car. I can't.
I think you're in the. I think you're all in the
They
wrong
don't
house.
know. They don't know.
I
They
bet
don't
you
know the in-joke.
he's under the bed.
Oh, I wasn't listening.
Let's just say it's very obvious
again.
where I am once you get here. The only way I could make it more obvious is if I had a sign that almost pointed to me.
Oh, this is a good song. It's my.
Oh, you did that again?
Do the joke again.
Is he here? Am I looking at the wrong place?
I need to.
Oh
Look out,
my
Kyle.
gosh.
Is he taunting? Is Kyle taunting? I know he's in here.
No, I'm not. Go away.
Run, Kyle.
Damn it!
Finally.
Oh wait, who's over here then? Who's taunting me? I was wasting my time over here.
Yeah, I said you were all in the wrong building.
I want to see how long I can last with a literal arrow. I changed my spray 2 weeks ago specifically for this.
Did you have an arrow just pointing to you?
Yep.
Yes, he did.
Yeah.
My spray is an arrow pointing down, and I was just hiding under it.
I am the best prop in the game.
Are you a penis? Did you find a penis prop?
No, he's Del.
There's one too many shoes here. I think so, but I have been very wrong about this before.
Yeah, he's that shoe right here.
Shoot, run.
Good job, Rob.
You'll never escape me, proactivist.
Proactivist, when you become something, throw away the thing you became.
Yeah, that's other like pro skills.
Or like try to break it if it's a box.
Yeah.
Or try and eat it if it's a snack.
Shadow, how?
No,
Oh,
wait,
speaking of, I want a snack.
Yeah.
Yo, I couldn't find the other house. Where did it go?
Oh, how did you get in there?
Yo, why you do this to me?
Oh no. Okay.
Rise and shine, Mr. Freeman. Rise and shine.
A little early to be taunting, but hey.
It's never too early to taunt.
How and how?
He's in
Hi,
there somewhere.
Kodak.
Legit. Is that your spray? Do I see?
Oh, there you are.
Where? It's not me. You don't see me.
The Kyle found them.
Get out of there, you little shit! I will spray your blood and drown you out!
Kyle, do you know the Muffin Man?
There's another one!
Cheese.
No one will ever find you, Jason. Quick question, how did you get in there? And I want to know.
I think a bunch of people know it.
Wait, oh wait, there. Oh no.
Oh no.
What?
I think he knows. The big arrow is a little too obvious.
Guys, he's where I usually hide.
Where do you hide? I need to figure this out.
I'm the cars.
Over there?
Nope.
Ooh.
I still was wasting my time in it.
Jason, no one will ever find you.
Go into my hiding spot.
Oh my god.
No!
Oh, there it goes. There goes
Jason,
Jason.
did you leave your spot? I think Jason left his spot.
That taunt was interestingly telling.
Huh. Someone could have joined the hunter team right now.
That's where Jason was hiding.
What?
I did not know how to get there.
What, where I am?
Kyle?
Yes.
Sometimes
I'm afraid I've hit the taunt button so many times that the next time I hit it, it's gonna be the long song.
Vicious.
Just use the long song. Get
Get
out of my goddamn way, Choco Rings!
Why? Why is there
Oh
no!
Choco Rings!
Underneath the map.
Guys, find that taunt.
I can't, I'm stuck.
Oh no.
I love the taunt.
The Choco Rings
I
have
love
trapped me.
that taunt.
Too late.
Rob,
Is he like?
why is there a demonic baby?
Jason.
You cannot find me.
Is it
Poor
just Kyle
Rob.
left? Oh, great.
Poor Rob.
bullshit.
So I'd like to...
No, he's on my body! He's some pickles!
I'd like to make everyone aware of something.
Pickles,
that?
he's in that room! He's in that room! Close the door behind you!
He's running.
I have the best hiding spot in the universe.
So, Jason, you've won, because I'm the only one left, and I've got 5 health.
Actually, I'm left too.
Kyle, he's
the
gone
only
back
one
into the
left on
room!
my team.
He's gone back in the room! He's behind you!
I opened the door for you, Jason.
Go, behind you!
Oh my god, Rob,
Arnulf, where are you?
demonic baby.
Arnulf's on their team.
Oh.
I'm almost 100% sure you can hide in there as a prop.
Oh, sweet, my health is full again.
So, Arnulf, are you gonna go biking?
No, I think I'm just gonna take a walk.
It's a boot!
Shoe!
Rob,
Where'd you go, you little shoe?
No, he's still in the kitchen!
I'm gonna tell you,
Give me your body! You never leave Kyle to do a job!
Papa,